Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub repository from private to public. This is particularly useful when you're ready to share your project with the wider community or make your code open source for collaboration. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to github.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that owns the repository you want to modify, as only repository owners have the permissions to change visibility settings. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Take a look at the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific repository you want to change from private to public. This will open up that repository's main page where you can view all your files, commits, and project details. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of your repository page. Here you'll find several tabs including code, issues, and pull requests. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. This is your control center for all repository configurations, from basic details to advanced security settings. Once you're in the Settings section, scroll down through the various options until you reach a section called Change Repository Visibility. This is an important area, so take your time locating it. When you find it, click on the Change Visibility button. A menu will appear with different visibility options for your repository. From these options, select Change to Public. GitHub takes repository visibility seriously, so they've added a few confirmation steps to ensure you understand what you're doing. A dialog box will appear with important information about making your repository public. Click on I want to make this repository public to proceed. This confirms your initial intent to change the visibility. Next, you'll see another checkbox that reads I have read and understand these effects. This step ensures you're aware that once your repository becomes public, anyone on the internet will be able to view your code, clone it, and see its entire history. Click this checkbox to acknowledge that you understand these implications. Finally, to complete the process, click the Make This Repository Public button. GitHub will process this change, and within moments, your repository will be publicly accessible to everyone. And that's it. Your GitHub repository is now public and ready to be shared with the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.